peeps, welcome back. Hope everybody's well today. We're still doing the 10 days of salads from around the world within the 100 days of salads. So today's salad is a Kenyan barbecued chicken salad, which that was the door slamming. If anybody's ever had proper Kenyan barbecue chicken, it is this amazing like mix of Indian spices and African barbecue, and it is amazing and delicious. And if you're ever in Nairobi, please just hit a comment below and I will direct you to the best places to go to there. But so it's most of the dish is going to be about creating the sauce. So we've got some tamarind paste, some sugar, some tomato sauce, a mild curry, so you can use garam masala. We've got some mustard, some cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar. We're going to get basically pan fry off an onion, half an onion, and then sort of mix that all together, create this paste, and then mix the chicken in that. So I'm actually going to do the chicken first, get that done, then do the paste, and then put the chicken in afterwards just to finish it off. And that's the plan. And then on that, well, that is going to go onto a bed of spinach with a bit of onions in that as well, and some garlic. So should be very delicious. I am super hungry, and yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Leave some comments below and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.